Yeah.
That's okay. Yeah.
With the parade of homes right now, obviously it's like, the builder's best. And I see a
Sure.
lot of board and batten, like
Sure.
that, like it's a focal wall and then they paint it like,
hmm
I think the new color of this year, according to a Drew Barrymore show that she brought on this high end designer, it's periwinkle,
Uh-huh.
like the blues and
Okay.
the purplies.
Sure.
I love it. Um, but is that board and batten and the wainscoting and
hmm
all the focal wall stuff with the painted trendy color, is that a fad that's
hmm
going to go away or is that a trend that's going to stay?
Here's the secret. Just because it's quote unquote the it color doesn't mean it's the shade you should be putting in your house.
Totally. You can't
You
put periwinkle
gotta
into a
look at the
traditional
picture.
home, I don't think.
Well, well, you can, but you gotta look at what it is. What color's your trim? What color's your floors? And
Right,
are you
right.
willing to invest in changing all of the bedding and everything to have that? Or could you bring in a touch of the periwinkle with some throw pillows that have periwinkle, maybe a piece of art, so you can still update your room without totally going gobsmack in. And just
Totally.
because periwinkle is the it color, I don't know where those people live. Periwinkle is a beautiful color. I've seen it done well here in North Carolina, but it's really yummy when you've got lots of sun, like Florida and California, all day long. But when you get these shorter days and we got a little more gray skies, it's not always the best color to select.
Yeah.
Just my thoughts on color.